Ambi Tame, Nadi Tame, Devi Tame, Saraswati. O best of divine mothers, we stand insignificant in front of you. O Mother, please bless us, bless us, bless us. Good morning to each and everyone present here. This is Meenakshi Chaudhary standing before you to speak on the very special occasion of Saraswati Puja, or as it is alternative called Vasant Panchmi or Shri Panchmi, which is dedicated to Goddess Saraswati, the deity of knowledge, language, music, science and arts. We learn something from everybody and everywhere. Life is to learn. May Goddess Saraswati's divine blessings help us all to learn. With this, I wish you all a very blessed Saraswati Puja. Ma Saraswati is a beautiful goddess with a calm and soothing face glowing with the light of knowledge. Goddess Saraswati is given special position in the Vedas. She is described in the Rig Vedas as the best divine mothers. Vasant Panchmi festival is dedicated to her. According to Hindu mythology, Goddess Saraswati was known to have been incarnated on the day of Vasant Panchmi. Let us all visualize Ma Saraswati's presence, pray to her and bring her into our hearts. We pray to Ma to protect us and keep us away from bad habits. And again, I wish you all a very happy Saraswati Puja. Thank you to all of you.